we have to help couples after the discovery of hidden betrayal, the discovery of a sex addiction, a porn addiction, whatever it is. We have to help them restore connection. And we're going to do that through these two things. We're going to help them grieve together, and we're going to help them transform the dynamic that exists between the two of them. So remember this from earlier, right? We had the story they both knew, the gray line, the story only the betraying partner, addicted partner knew. That's the black line. And then the moment of worlds colliding, that's the red line going down, and then everything's shattered. They have to create a new story. That's the green line. They have to somehow put together the pieces and then make sense of what it means that they're put together in that way. If we were to go out to dinner tonight, my wife and I and another couple here, and we're trying to get to know each other, we would share our stories. Well, how did you guys meet? Oh, and how long have you been married? And da, 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 da. Because in a relationship, your identity, not entirely, but in large part, is based on your shared story. Who you are as a couple comes from your shared story, your shared history. And when that was gone, who are you as a couple? And so what has to happen is we have to work hard to come up with a new shared story. Why? Well, because if you don't have a shared understanding of the past, you won't have this shared trajectory for the future. And somehow in the midst of all of that, they can look at that piece but have a shared understanding. Doesn't make the pain go away, doesn't make it all happy, but they look at it and they feel like they have a shared story there because they know each other's individual experience and they're holding that up next to each other. And they can do that piece by piece with their story. And it helps them to come up with this shared narrative, this collaborative narrative of what happened, and they make sense of it together.